Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G50. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning enter Settings, go to Security, Screen Lock, and select one of available unlock methods. So we've got none, swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none. Now swipe. Password. Pin. And pattern. Now let's go to Fingerprint, and our fingerprint sensor is right here. So let's scan fingerprint. And use it to unlock the phone. And the last way to unlock the phone is face unlock. Put your face in this place to scan it. Okay, now I've successfully scanned my face. We can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.